Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a flashback effect in CapCut PC. Let's dive in. Start by dragging your main video onto the timeline. Now move the playhead to the exact moment where you want the flashback to begin. Use the split tool to cut the main video, creating a space for the flashback clip. Next, simply drag and drop your flashback clip into the split section of the timeline. To enhance the transition into the flashback, head over to the Transitions tab. Search for the white flash and apply it between the main video and the flashback clip. Then click on Apply to All to ensure the effect is applied seamlessly. For a touch of nostalgia, navigate to the Filters tab. Within the Mono category, select a filter that suits the mood you want to convey and drag it onto the flashback clip. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.